today we are playing The Baby in Yellow, night 1. Listen to, it's time for bed, the child.
Is that what you think?
The Baby in Yellow, Act 1, Scene 2. I played this game before, so. Night 1, get the bottle from the fridge. Long time no see, baby. Hey, bro, why is that child creeping me out? Rabbit? What is a rabbit doing on the door? My God, bro. I think it's for later. Okay, that was weird. Bottle, a diaper, sheep, the demonic child, and the passive. They have food, bro. I thought it was gonna be you ago. I think they didn't have any food, bro. You had a little accident, my little ugly, depressed child. Don't move. I will. I will put you on the streets if you move. Oh my gosh, bro. I said not to move. Oh, I can decorate the tree. Let me do that right now. Sorry, I just got distracted by the tree. Like, just put it at the bottom, like this, and it will bring me to it. Like, kind of. You smiling after I just stepped on you. The prince and the cat. So. Okay.
Across the shore, they walk. But the
Oh, that's a story. Wait, can you open this? Well, I never knew this. What?
hide.
Hide.
Snow. A curiosity in July, following such a sweet spring. It started when I took this job, but I was not the first. They are with me. Night fell the first day, and the hours dragged on. Still we cared for the child. We spoke of Hastur and Casilda in their absence, while outside the fog rolled in as the cloud waves roll and break on the walls. Oh, the sin of such innocent eyes, clear as crystal, understood by the ignorant and wise alike, more precious than jewels, more soothing than music, more awful than death. Then, as I fell, I knew that the baby in yellow had opened their tattered mantle, and there was only God to cry to now.
Yeah, we're skipping. Yeah, I'm not reading that. I changed it. Wait, what? Should I put the baby in there? Y'all heard that, right? Good night. Oh my god! Good night, bro. Alright, good night. Okay. This is I told you not to do that. The baby, I too seen one. Where that child at? Oh my. You like the baby stuff. Why was the child lying? The body. It's always in different places. Yes, you deserve feeling like that. Get the new nappy. What are the nappies in your eyes, bro? So the parents are the ones who made the book. These are all fake numbers. Oh, can you stop teleporting? Oh, extremely dramatic. Why are you looking at me like that? Chill, bro.
When the rabbit came to visit, through dark corridors
I'm sorry, Rob. I'm so sorry. I am actually so sorry. Twin Sun and Strange Dream. Peace out, bro. I'll do part 2 this way and let's get as soon as I get better. Don't tell me this is gonna be an ad. Night 3. They said it. Good night, sweet dreams. The child. No, baby, no. Act 3, scene 3. Watch TV and stuff. Oh my gosh, bro. I will put you on the streets. I will. Am I gonna live in the story? Chill out. Find some TV so TV test. Shit. and the sheep.
It was common throughout the palace. Just
Oh, chill, bro!
good night.
Guys, I'm so sorry for not posting because I've been sick lately. I'm so sorry for not posting. Bye.